Hey yo mga Toysers! Welcome back to Toy Therapy. And today we'll be unboxing the McDonald's Adult Happy Meal Spider-Man Brand New Day Collection. Kung ang Happy Meal ay para sa kids, para naman to sa mga adults. Before we start, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing videos. So here we go. Sa line na to, may apat na toys na dapat kolektahin. Number 1, we have the Upside Down Spider-Man. Yan. Number 2, ano naman to? We have the Crouching Spider-Man. Yan, nakatayo siya sa M. Not gonna lie, parang mas maganda talaga yung Adult Happy Meal kaysa dun sa kids, no? Ito naman, number 3, we have the Hammock Spider-Man. And number 4, we have the Side Hang Spider-Man. Ang sarap kolekta nitong apat na to. So check na natin. Our first figure is the iconic Upside Down Spider-Man. Ito ang isa sa pinaka-famous poses ni Spider-Man. Mukhang nakabitin siya sa kanyang web habang nagmamasid sa buong city. Ready to save the day anytime. So here we go. Ito na ang kanyang box. Panalong-panalo, box pa lang, no? Sana lang dinagdagan niya pa ng mga poses. So ito ay Upside Down Spider-Man. Spider-Man Brand New Day introduces Peter Parker at a fresh stage in his life, balancing superhero responsibilities with exciting new adventures. Ayun yung web stand, ito naman yung McDonald's logo. Dito kasi nakalimutan na ng tao si Peter Parker at wala na nakakaalala sa kanya, including Ned and MJ. And of course, our paper reveal. The details are super amazing, from the classic red-blue suit to the web lines all over his costume. Ang ganda talagang display tong piece na to. The movie features a brand new Spider-Man suit with updated textures while keeping the classic red and blue colors which the fans love. So here's Spider-Man. Ang cute ng pose niya rito, chibi Spider-Man. The title Brand New Day is inspired by one of Spider-Man's well-known comic storylines that focuses on Peter Parker starting a new chapter in his life. At kung napanood mo na yung movie, fresh new day talaga para kay Peter Parker, no? So, there you have it. We have the Upside Down Spider-Man. Perfect pose para sa mga collectors. Mukhang nakabantay talaga siya sa buong room mo. Next up, we have the classic Crouching Spider-Man. Ito yung signature landing pose ni Spidey pagkatapos niya mag-swing between buildings. Ready na siyang tumalon anumang oras para hulihin ang mga kontrabida. Ito rin yung ginagamit niya pang survey bago siya mag-leap into action. And here's our box. Color red naman yung box na to. Ayun, Crouching Spider-Man nakasulat doon. Ang ganda talaga ng box, no? Box pa lang pwede nang pang display eh. So ingatan natin yan and open na natin siya. Matitigas din yung mga pieces. Yan, ang McDonald's. Medyo maliit yung McDonald's dito. Yan naman ang web niya. Dikit na natin doon. Yun, ang ganda. And of course, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating paper reveal. Brand New Day continues Spider-Man's journey as he learns that every new challenge helps him grow as both Peter Parker and Spider-Man. Every fan, including me, are excited to see more of Spider-Man's acrobatic fighting style and web swinging scenes in Brand New Day. Tsaka yung swinging niya sa New York City is more of a practical effect rather than CGI. Na nakita natin sa mga teaser videos, no? Ang galing. Dito hindi ko siya madikit. Medyo mahirap siyang ilagay, no? Tinignan ko pa kung tama ba yung paglalagay ko. Ikot-ikot mo lang para malagay mo siya. Isa pa nga, dito, ayun. Nadikit na natin si Spider-Man. So, there you have it. We have the Crouching Spider-Man. This crouching pose perfectly represents his quick reflexes. Kaya kung may award sa pinaka-iconic Spider-Man pose, ito na siguro yun. Perfect. At ito naman ang pinamakulit na pose ni Spider-Man sa line na to. Kitang-kita mo naman nag-enjoy siya dyan. Pwede rin siyang matulog. Right now, we'll be unboxing Hammock Spider-Man. Tignan mo naman yan, kumuha siya ng hammock gamit ang kanyang sariling web. At sabi nga nila, kahit superhero, kailangan din ng konting pahinga after saving New York. Ito naman ang kanyang box, color blue, solid blue, ang ganda nito. Open natin siya at ayan. Una, checkin muna natin ang logo with the hammock. May nahihirapan dito kasi nakaharang yung stick sa hammock. Pero dapat iusog mo yung hammock. Diyan, usog mo lang ng konti. Iwas mo para hindi siya sumabit. And then, ipupush mo lang siya. Yun. Pag stable na yung base, push mo na siya. At ayan, meron ka ng hammock Spider-Man. Syempre, paper reveal. This figure is both funny and adorable. Katulad ni Spider-Man, which is known for his sense of humor. He is often making jokes even while fighting villains. May mga classic one-liner siya, no? Spider-Man's web fluid is one of his greatest inventions. And sa movie na to, may conflict kung anong gagamitin niya. Web shooter ba o yung organic na? Kita mo, naka-web shooter pose pa yung kamay niya doon. Nga natin siyang ilagay, yan, para siya nagsiswing. Pero ano ba nakalagay doon sa box? Sa box naman, nakahiga dapat siya. So, pose natin siya ganun. Ayan, matulog ka muna. So, there you have it. We have the Hammock Spider-Man. Brand New Day continues to highlight Peter Parker's balance between superhero action and everyday life. Kaya minsan kailangan niya ng power nap. Last but definitely not the least, we have the Side-Hang Spider-Man. Ito na yata pinaka-favorite ko sa line na to. Nakakapit siya gamit ang kanyang spider powers. At isa to sa pinaka-cool na display poses dahil para talaga siya may kalaban while posing. Ito na ang kanyang box, color red, yan. Ang sarap din ng design sa mata, no? Tara, open na natin. Spider-Man's ability to cling to walls is one of his original and most recognizable superpowers. Aminin nyo nung bata kayo, gusto nyo rin umakyat sa pader. At mag-parkour sa playground. Tara, lagyan na natin yung McDonald's logo. And of course, our paper reveal. Tanin! Spider-Man Brand New Day celebrates the classic spirit of Spider-Man while introducing fresh adventures for a new generation of fans. Malalaman din natin kung maalala ba siya ni Ned at MJ. Pati na rin ni Bruce Banner at Hulk. Kaya panoorin nyo na. Uy, ang ganda ng posing niya rito. Very dynamic, no? Kaso parang battle damage din nakuha natin. Pati yung puwet may damage yun, no? So, kailangan natin isabat si Spider-Man dito. Lagay nyo dyan. At yun, nakapost na kaagad siya. Spider-Man remains one of the most popular superheroes because of his relatable personality, courage, and determination. So, there you have it. We have the Side-Hang Spider-Man. Ang ganda nito, pwedeng pan-display sa office mo, no? Parang gusto ko talaga siyang dikit sa monitor ko. Ang astig tignan. So, there you have it. We have the complete McDonald's Adult Happy Meal Spider-Man Brand New Day Collection. We got the Upside Down Spider-Man, Crouching Spider-Man, Hammock Spider-Man, and Side-Hang Spider-Man. Ang ganda ng bawat pose at bawat isa may sariling personality. So mga Toysters, alin ang favorite nyo? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is Kuya Romar, and see you next time mga Toysters. Bye-bye!